You want to succeed? Then stop looking for a way out. Burn the bridges. Burn the excuses. Commit. Too many people keep a backup plan. Too many people play it safe. But winners? They go all in. They don't quit when it gets hard. They don't back down when it hurts. They don't make excuses. They find a way. So if you're serious about success, stop looking back. Stop waiting for the right time. Stop making excuses. Commit. Work. Win.